Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Splunk SPL validate command. The validate command is a powerful tool for data validation and field testing in Splunk. It allows you to test field values against specific conditions and mark validation results directly in your data. This command is essential for data quality assurance and ensuring your search results meet specific criteria before further processing. The validate command is a Splunk SPL command that tests field values against specified conditions and marks the validation results in your data. Think of it as a quality control mechanism that examines your data fields and determines whether they meet certain criteria. When you use validate, it evaluates each field value against the conditions you define and creates validation markers that indicate whether the data passes or fails your tests. The basic syntax for the validate command is straightforward. You start with the pipe symbol followed by the word validate, then specify the field name you want to test, followed by an equals sign and the condition you want to evaluate. This simple structure allows you to quickly set up validation rules for any field in your dataset. The condition can be any logical expression that evaluates to true or false. Here's a simple example of the validate command in action. The command pipe validate price greater than 0 tests whether the price field contains values greater than 0. This validation ensures that all price values in your data are positive numbers. Any record where the price is 0 or negative will be marked as invalid, while records with positive prices will be marked as valid. This type of validation is commonly used for financial data to ensure data integrity. When the validate command processes your data, it produces two possible results for each field test. Valid results occur when the condition is met and the data passes validation. These records are marked as valid and can proceed to further processing. Invalid results occur when the condition fails and the data is marked as invalid. These validation markers help you identify problematic data and take appropriate action, such as filtering out invalid records or flagging them for review. The validate command supports testing multiple conditions simultaneously by separating them with commas. In this example, we test 3 different conditions: price greater than 0, quantity greater than or equal to 1, and status not equal to cancelled. Each condition is evaluated independently, and the validation results will show which conditions pass or fail for each record. This approach allows you to perform comprehensive data validation in a single command. The validate command supports various operators for different types of comparisons. Equal and not equal operators test for exact matches or exclusions. Greater than and less than operators compare numerical values. Greater than or equal to and less than or equal to operators include boundary values in comparisons. The like operator performs pattern matching with wildcards. The match operator uses regular expressions for complex pattern validation. The is not null operator checks whether a field has a value, ensuring required fields are populated. This advanced example demonstrates the full power of the validate command with complex validation rules. We validate that email fields contain a basic email pattern with the like operator. Phone numbers match a 10-digit format using regular expressions with the match operator, and age values fall within a specific range using compound conditions with and logic. This comprehensive validation ensures data quality across multiple fields simultaneously, making it ideal for user registration data or customer information validation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.